Hello guys, welcome with me on another one on IPC Intelligence Prime Capital. If you clicked on this video, chances are that you are wrestling with the answers or the questions. Is it too late to jump on board? Is it too late to get started on Intelligence Prime Capitals? Well, I am here to share you my views on that. Again, like I keep telling you guys, this project was presented to me 3.5 months ago. I used 2 months to do my due diligence. That was too long. Yeah, right? I used 2 months to do my due diligence. And when I jumped on board, I have been on IPC a month and a half now. And sincerely speaking, it has been a game changer, guys. It has been a game changer. Now, IPC is already going to 1 year now, and people still calling it a scam where you can be right about it. I am not disputing the fact, but I am here to share with you my views. It has been working for me and my team as well. But the question is it too late for you to jump on board? And I am going to be sharing some light to that. I'm going to be giving you my views to that, okay? We all know that IPC is a fintech company and they trade the Forex market. Now you deposit your money by activating using one of these bots right here. Very result proven bot, which they currently offer three types of bot. Brilliant bot, it costs $39.90. This is lifetime subscription, guys. Only one-time subscription, and you need a minimum of $100 to start with this bot. So a total minimum of $140. It will be bringing you a monthly ROI of 30%. The biggest bot is the Genius bot, which I recommend for higher earnings. It costs $99.90 plus your minimum $100 to start trading. So you need a minimum of $200. It brings you a monthly ROI of 45%, guys. Look at that. Now, the smart bot, which is the smallest bot, the smart bot, it costs $19.90 plus your minimum $100 trading funds. That brings us a total minimum of $120 to start trading. So it will be bringing you a monthly profit of 15%, guys. These bots are very result proven. You can see the number of people, the amount of monies deposited, and the people using this robot, guys. So IPC has really been a game changer, guys. No one can dispute the fact. There are two ways of earning on IPC, either passively or actively. Again, you can do the two, actively and passively. Passively is that you activate one of the bot and you deposit your money. It will be sitting on your MT4 wallet. Now, they use your money to trade the Forex market Monday through Fridays. On Saturdays, your profit for the 5 days is sent to your USDT wallet from where you can withdraw or you can reinvest, okay? So that is a passive method of making money on IPC. Again, I'm going to be sharing with you a spreadsheet just to give you an idea of how much you stand to be making daily and weekly based on how much you have on your MT4 wallet. Remember, whatever you also have here also determines your rank, and then your rank also determines your management bonus, which is another part which you can make even 5 times your investment, okay? So we have the passive, just depositing your money, and they use your money to trade 5 days a week and then send your profit every Saturdays. Now, the second method is you want to do it actively by also building a team. You know a few friends whom you can share this opportunity with, and once they join you on board, you are getting a referrals commission, and you'll also be getting management bonuses every Saturdays where you can triple your investment within weeks, if not months. So you can see that on IPC, even if you are just doing the passive section, now if you go in with their Genius bot, which we just saw 45% monthly, so it means that within 3 months you must have break even. When I say break even, it means you must have pulled out your initial investment and start playing with house money. So that brings me to the question, is it too late to jump on board? Well, To sincerely answer that question, it has to do with our own risk management tolerances. Now, my risk tolerance or my risk management is different from yours, okay? Again, I started with $500, and then just 2 days ago, I added another $500 because I think I have broken even long ago. And whatever thing I do here, I am just playing with house money. And that's one advice I keep telling everyone in my team. Your initial goal should be to break even first, and then you can start compounding. Because we know that businesses like these, they involve some risk, especially when you are not in control of your money. So no one is disputing that fact, okay? But if you can be able to do the two, passively and actively, and then you are going to break even within no time, guys. And then you start playing with house money. But is it too late to jump on board? Like I said, my risk tolerance is different from yours, okay? We just want to have investment rules into play. Rule number one, never invest any money you wouldn't feel comfortable losing. That is rule number one. So this $1,000 here, if I have it here, I just forget about it. If I ever had this money, I forget about it. Okay. So because I am comfortable losing this money. So that is one thing everyone should bear in mind. Don't go and borrow someone's money. Don't sell your property to invest on IPC. Only put in money you are willing to lose. Okay. We are praying that IPC stay longer and even forever, okay? But we have to tell you these rules. Rule number two, whatever money you have here, your initial goal should be to withdraw your money, your profit every week and every end of the week. Be able to break even first before you can start to reinvest. For people who are compounding or people who are reinvesting. So that is rule number two. Now, rule number three. Okay, this is also very important, and you really want to take this back home today. For rule number three, if you ever want to do things like this, if you ever want to jump on board, okay, now you want to do it as soon and as fast as you can. Now, you want to do it what? As soon and as fast as you can. The longer you wait, the longer you keep procrastinating, so the platforms start becoming so congested. Again, I'm not saying IPC is already congested. They are just in their initial beginning stages, okay? But do not take my word for financial advice anyway. But my story to you is that IPC was presented to me 3 months back. Now, if I should have jumped on board 3 months back, I should have made back this money even 10 more times, okay? The reason why I say 10 more times is because I'm doing the both passive and active. But I used 2 months to do my due diligence. That was too long, right? And then I jump on board. I've been on IPC a month and 2 weeks now. And to tell you the truth, I have made this money even 5 more times, okay? So what am I trying to say? The earlier you decide and jump on board, the better. If you think you are going to spend or procrastinate 5 months time again before jumping on IPC, then I'm going to say you should not. IPC is going to a year now and people still calling it a scam. Well, you might be right about it. That is why whatever I do here, I always tell you the risk management, that you will bear responsibility for your losses and you will bear the responsibility for your gains as well. So you only want to play it very safe. So I hope that answered some of your questions. Again, what I normally love to do, I love to go to this WikiFX. You can do this by yourself. Now, WikiFX is just a platform where it brings to us regulatory brokers. Okay, now it tells us if a particular broker is regulated. It gives them scores for their performances and stuffs like that. So I have just searched Intelligence Prime Capital. When we search that, we will get right here. So we have Intelligence Prime Capital, and you can see its rank or its score at the time on WikiFX. When we click on this, it takes us to this page where you can learn even more. Now look at the risk management. It is 8 out of 10. They are very good when it comes to risk management. Their licenses is ranking 3.51 out of 10. Now the software index 4.0 out of 10. Now their regulatory bodies 3.48 out of 10. Now business as a whole 3.36. Now their total score is 4.21, where you can just browse through. And one of the things that made me join IPC is this regulatory body, ASIC. Okay, so they are regulated with ASIC, and you just want to browse through and see different informations which might help you. Again, I'll leave a full business presentation plan in the description of this video should you want to learn more about IPC. Now, if you were to get started today, what will you be looking at, or what should you need to get started on IPC? Well, check the links in the description of this video and the top comment. Once you click that link, you will land on this page. So once you land on this page, you just want to click to sign up on IPC, Intelligence Prime Capitals. Again, you should just screenshot of this slide and see where you belong. With $1,000, I am sure of $80 weekly, which is awesome, guys. So guys, let's keep winning on IPC. A lot of people keep calling it a scam while others are getting rich by the day. But again, it's not all about the money, right? Yes, it's not all about the money, but I hope you found some value here. If you did, I'm happy. Show me some love. Leave a like on this video. You want to stick around for more update, subscribe and turn that bell notification on. I will be seeing you around soon.